In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Michaels gift card balance. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly how much you have left to spend on your next creative project. Let's start by opening your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A stable connection ensures that the process runs smoothly without interruptions. Next, navigate to the Michaels gift cards page. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for Michaels gift card balance in your search engine. This page is your gateway to accessing all the information related to your gift card. Once you are on the Michaels gift cards page, look for the option that says Check Balance. It's usually easy to spot, but take a moment to scan the page if it's not immediately visible. This step is essential because it directs you to the specific section where you can input your card details. Now you'll need to enter your gift card number. This number is located on the back of your card. It's important to enter it correctly to avoid any errors. Double-check the numbers as you type them in. Accuracy here saves you time and potential frustration later. After entering your gift card number, the next step is to input the PIN if required. The PIN is also found on the back of your card, typically under a scratch-off area. If your card has a PIN, carefully scratch off the covering to reveal it. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears. This step adds an extra layer of security to protect your card balance. With both the gift card number and PIN entered, click on the Check Balance button. This action sends your information through a secure process to retrieve the current balance on your card. It's a quick step, but crucial for accessing the up-to-date balance. Once you complete that, you'll be able to view your remaining balance. The balance will display on the screen, showing you exactly how much is left on your card. Take note of this amount so you can plan your purchases accordingly. It's satisfying to know exactly what you can spend on your next trip to Michaels. And there you have it. Checking your Michaels gift card balance is that simple. Knowing your balance helps you budget better and ensures you don't face any surprises at the checkout. Remember, checking your balance is something you can do as often as needed, especially before making a purchase. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. Sometimes a simple page refresh can resolve minor glitches. It's also helpful to ensure your browser is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any step if needed. Now you can enjoy your shopping experience at Michaels, knowing exactly how much you have available to spend. Have fun creating, and see you in the next video.